Welcome to a home that looks like it was pulled straight out of the future. Imagine a 200-acre private estate wrapped around a jaw-dropping mega mansion valued at over $500 million. This isn't just a house. It's a technological fortress of luxury, blending innovation with elegance at every turn. From the moment you arrive, the grand facade commands attention, a sleek interplay of glass, steel, and stone that seems to float effortlessly over its landscaped grounds. But the real magic begins as we step inside. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more ultra-luxury home tour, and share with someone who needs to see this futuristic masterpiece. The future of real estate is here, and this is just the beginning.